Yeah, I think this shot captures the big difference in change. So the old train station, and then here the train that leaves, and the huge new train station. Good afternoon. I'm here in front of the Bang Grand Station, and at the Bang Junction. And here to the left we have the Bang MRT station. The reason that I'm here is that a couple of months ago I made a video about the new Bang Grand Station, and yeah, I was really excited about showing the new station, and based on that I started filming a little bit more about transport in Bangkok. And I noticed that I'm mostly focusing on all the new developments. And a few weeks ago I went to the Rangsit station, and at Rangsit I realized that all the old traditional stations and all the old traditional transport is just disappearing. And I wanted to film this station before it's all gone, and it won't be too long. There's actually a train coming up, which is cool. Yeah, I think 1 or 2 more years, and then this traditional kind of train station here in Bangkok is not going to be here anymore, and it's all going to be the big modern station that's across the street. So I thought, let's document this before it's too late, and I'm sure other people are documenting it as well, but I just want to do my part of preserving Sawadee-krap preserving the old traditions and the old style, and we should never forget where we come from, right? So there's actually a train coming in. Yeah, we've been living in Thailand for a while, and we just see the city, or we see Bangkok, really tremendously changing. And there's so much new constructions, there's so many new things, and it's all, of course, to make the lives of everybody better. That's the purpose. But sometimes you feel a little bit nostalgic, and you're thinking about the old ways, how it used to be. And yeah, I hope this video is helping with that a little bit. So after I film this, I'm gonna go and try and locate the train graveyard, they call it. This place where you have a lot of old locomotives. See, here at the end of the tracks there is a nice market. Perfect place to get some food before you travel. Yeah, so here you have the contrast, right? The old train and train station, and then this huge complex across the street, which is the biggest train station in Southeast Asia. So this is the train to Bangkok. Never been there. So here you have the time schedules and the ticket office. This is gonna be so much different. Oh, somebody tries to catch the train.
รถธรรมดาบ้านไทยเกียร์จากบางซื่อเราจากบางซื่อและส่งผู้โดยสารใต้อยู่รถนิคมกม11บางเขียนต่อไปครับ
Yeah, I think this shot captures the big difference in change. So the old train station, and then here the train that leaves, and the huge new train station. So actually my friend Art, that you might know as Mr. Judd, is trying to arrange a visit so that we can go and see inside the new train station, but because of COVID now it's not allowed to do a tour there. But I'm really looking forward to go and have a look there inside as well. So here you can see all the signs are already in Chinese. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update about the Bangkok Junction train station. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.